Hi Daniela, I can do even better than that. I can talk about this exact question. So you've got that x plus y equals 2. That's the dotted line here. Let me just get a... So that's that line there. That's the x plus y equals 2. Now how do I know it's x plus y equals 2? Well, I know it's x plus y equals 2 if I take some of the coordinates. So if I literally just go, okay, oh, hold on, let me get my pen. So this coordinate here is 0, 2. This one here is 1, 1. This one here is 2, 0. And I could carry on and I can see immediately that these add up to make 2. So the graph is going to be the line x plus y equals 2. How do I know which way round it is? What I need to do is pick a point on the line, and I want the unshaded region, so I'm going to pick a point that's on the unshaded side, and I might as well pick 0, 0 because that's really easy to do. So if x is 0 and y is 0, is that bigger than or less than 2? Well, clearly that's less than 2. So it must mean that my inequality is x plus y is less than 2. And it should be less than and not equal to because it's a dotted line. Anyway, get back to me and let me know if that makes sense.